Class inheritance. Class inheritance. Class inheritance means to create a class called child to inherit all the features, functions, and variables of the base class parent. Inheritance makes the life easier when you need to create a class that takes all the features of the previous class you got. So, you do not need to repeat the same code of the previous class to the new one. That's why we use inheritance. Let's see how. Now, I will show you how to use inheritance. First, go to brackets. Okay, I will create a class called child. Inside the parentheses of the class child, we put the parent name class person inside the parentheses colon. Then type the keyword pass, which means child class will inherit all the features of person class. Then simply create a new object of child class, such as kid equal child parentheses quotation marks Johnny comma quotation marks 5 kid.output. After that, try that on terminal. Alright, as you can see here, we got an error. Do you know where to find this error? It's actually order matter because the constructor accepts 3 arguments, not 2 arguments. Anyways, I will add any ID numbers. Try the terminal now. Wonderful, works great right now. Thanks for watching. More about class inheritance. Go to brackets now. For now, I will create a new class that is over child class. Class man parentheses colon. Define a function called strong, def strong parentheses self colon. Then print a string men are strong. Now, kid object will inherit these features. So type kid.strong parentheses. After that, try it on terminal. As you can see, we got an error because we did not include man class inside the parentheses of the child class. Try on terminal one more time. Pretty nice, it works now. That's everything for now. You need to do that by your computer. You need to try your code and see everything. Thank you for watching.